Hello and welcome to Lynette's Pampered Kitchen. I want to come to you tonight because I need to talk to you about something. I've been talking about it all month, and that's our taste buds. Oh my word. Every month, we all have that question every night, what's for dinner? But every month we can help you out with that. And that is with our taste buds. What do you get with taste buds? You get one theme for each month. And it comes once a month. It's a subscription service. You can get 1 month, you can get 3 months, you can get 6 months, whatever you choose. And it's a theme every month. So September was switch up your faves. And you get 3 seasoning packets. They look like this. Okay, so garlic parmesan, chili lime were 2 of them. We also had honey sriracha this month, but I gave that one away already because I didn't need it because I have this whole bottle. But you get the seasoning packets, and then you get 3 recipe cards, 1 for each seasoning. All right. And the nice thing is that it gives you alternatives on the back. And on the theme card, it also gives you alternative ideas, and there's a portal where you can go on and find more recipes to go with these seasonings, because let me tell you, there's at least a 1/4 cup in each of these, and that's more than enough to do multiple recipes with them. And then if you really like the seasonings, you can buy them through the portal, again, with next month's subscription packet, and you get it with free shipping. There's no tax or shipping in Pennsylvania for taste buds. No shipping anywhere for them. It's a steal of a deal. And this month, you can get it for only $18 for 1 month. Give it a test drive. I am looking for 20 people, and I have some slots still open that want to give it a test drive. It's so simple. You get on, you place your order. I'll put the link in the comments. You place your order. You can choose 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. And when you do that, I will enter you in a drawing. There's a big drawing at the end. That's a shopping spree as well. But everybody will be entered into the drawing for a prize just by being a taste tester. And you can also have, you can decide to keep it going long, but I would like you, if you give it a test drive for 1 month, to post on your own wall a review of it after you've tried it and tag me in it, because I want to be able to share that real people like this, not just me, because people think, well, you're paid to like it. No, I pay for my subscription. I do. I pay for my own subscription, and I do like it. This month, I made the creamy chicken pasta one. Super, super like that. And the Mexican street corn chowder. Had so much of that I had to share it. I never did get to make this one, but it's a recipe card I have now, and I can make it another time when a bunch of people are here. So I would encourage you to give it a try. 1 month is all you have to do to be entered into the drawing. Look for the link here in the comments. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can be one of my 20 taste testers for the Tastebuds subscriptions. That's a lot of taste, isn't it? But it's so worth it. So this is on sale this month for 25% off. That's why it's only $18 for 1 month. That sale ends tomorrow. My offer ends tomorrow at midnight, the sale, but my offer ends tomorrow night as well. So go to this link, place your order there, and you'll be entered into that drawing. Check it out. Try it out. Buy one for a friend. Any way you can. Just check it out. So thanks for joining me here in Lynette's Pampered Kitchen. Happy fall to you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be pampered.